Hey everyone, Joe Sasto here with NutriBullet, and I'm going to show you how to make an incredible spread for your next gathering with this SmartSense blender combo. What's a better way to welcome all of your party guests than a frozen rosé froze? We're going to start with some grapefruit juice. That's going to give us some nice bitterness. Now the limoncello is going in, and then our simple syrup. And then here's my little trick. I froze some rosé as ice cubes, and then some regular ice cubes as well. So the SmartSense blender here features a range of speeds 1 through 5, so you can reach your desired consistency and texture no matter what you're blending. We're going to start off here with a couple of pulses just to get things going, and bump it up to speed number 4. Check this out. I'm going to use some lemon zest here. These mint plushes, we'll put that right in the side. Our limoncello froze bevy. Now I just need to make my twist on a crudité platter with a warm and cheesy fondue. First, we'll heat up our half and half. Coming over to our SmartSense blender. You can take your cheese in large chunks, and thanks to that powerful motor, it's gonna handle everything in there. We're using a mix, pecorino for that sharpness, and Parmesan for that nuttiness. Then we got some roasted garlic. Our half and half, nice and hot. And I'm just gonna loosen the little steam vent here. We're gonna start on speed 1, get that cheese broken down, and then bring this up all the way to speed 5 till it's smooth and creamy. Check this out. So we have this beautiful, super smooth fondue, and I just made this quick herb oil in the personal blending cup attachment to drizzle right on top. And that's our roasted garlic fondue for easy entertaining, but the showstopper of all desserts is my pistachio lava cake. So as I always like to say, there is always room for dessert. This SmartSense blender combo makes this so quick and easy, I can bring this all together in less than 30 seconds. So we have our melted cool butter and white chocolate. Next up, my pistachio butter. I'm gonna add in your eggs, our sugar, then we're gonna pop the lid on and give this a quick blend. We're gonna start this on speed 1 for about 15 seconds and then bump it up to speed 2 for another 10 seconds. Last but not least, a little bit of flour to hold our cake together and some salt. Pro tip, salt makes sweet things taste a little bit sweeter. Then I'm just gonna pop these into the oven, about 425 for 10 to 12 minutes or until molten. Now we'll cover up any of those imperfections with a light dusting of powdered sugar. We're gonna top this with a scoop of ice cream. I'm using my favorite flavor, vanilla. And then just as a little reminder of what's inside, I've chopped up some pistachios in my SmartSense blender. Doesn't matter who you have coming over, they're gonna be leaving talking about your next party. And that's party prep with NutriBullet. Thanks for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. I can't wait to see what you guys make.